Hey everyone, Mr. Tractor back at you with domain and range. So the definition is domain is simply all the x values in a relation, and the range is simply all the y values in a relation. Something that helps me if you forget is that it's actually alphabetical. So domain and range, so the D comes before R in the alphabet, and X comes before Y in the alphabet. So the domain is X, the range is Y. So that's a little helpful trick. There's two rules with domain and range. Rule number one. Domain and range always written from least to greatest. Okay, so if you have like the numbers 3 and 5, you wouldn't write down 5 and 3 like that. You'd want to make sure that you wrote it from least to greatest, like 3, 5. Okay? And rule number 2, if any number is repeated, you only write it once. So you never write numbers more than once in domain and range. Okay, so write down those rules. Let's do a little practice. A little practice here. Let's try this guy. So this is a relation. It's in roster notation. It's 3, 5, negative 2, 6, and 7, 0. So the domain is simply the set, so we use a curly brace, of numbers 3, negative 2, and 7. But we're going to make sure we write it from least to greatest. So negative 2, 3, 7, close curly brace. That's my domain. Range, same thing for the y value. So that's 5, 6, and 0. So we're going to do 0, 5, 6, curly brace. All right, let's try another example. So domain of the bottom one here, you got 3, you got 3, and you got 8. So we open up a curly brace, we go 3, we don't write the second 3 again, 8, close curly brace. And the range, we'll use the blue, keep it consistent here. Let's do a little blue action. We got the range here is going to be curly brace. So it's negative 5, 7, and negative 1. So it would be negative 5, negative 1, 7, close curly brace. All right, so that is domain and range.